Ebusuafo ebema obi bia akwa abashonko so ede aba Ghana Politics Avenue so ye be share obi bia sese afa ye no abadwumade we so a obe like obe share no subscribe to the channel send ye be ya political trending news bia ko twi ko brema bia no Ghana Politics Avenue so na age pen say ebusuafo na tifo ye de ba bedom ye somfo ebusuafo ene ko political highway so no eyense mebre ene aso akoti ebi ne sen Torkornoo ho nsama na eguso kan ye wo ho na sese Torkornoo ede ne sem ekoja ECOWAS for omundi na asem man se ya hwehwemu anya se Torkornoo illiterate Torkornoo obi a wanko school Torkornoo obi a ne certificate kra empass ya se chimachim se one nanado collabo one nanado one one nanado hyehyɛ ho se na ketwea ne nneoma no obu bechichemu a Rebecca Akuffo aware so fire Akuffo enso aware se sia no NDC for gurus no abe expose omo back time omo chim biem sisi ano omo ni tweka bia na Torkornoo ma save jail enya asem keto akora busuafo for menjo obi biara mbrem so mense obi biara so mbrem mehwam se mo be me akọ na ye de aso akwakotie de omo kan be de obi bia se Akroma so
judicial service now what they contract to common will tell you some of these things you don't do it anywhere and chair na ye twe Akuffo form about this family and friends conflict of interest in one. You don't do these things, and these are some of the things that she did. So for Akuffo, is she aware? And you see, these people are hypocrites. And you know what? Obia are you worried about Torkornoo? What go through the process, constitutional problem, because she couldn't pontificate at a single constitutional infraction occasion. I will go through a constitutional process. Not seeing the book. Or you're worried about not on your worried about President Akuffo or Tamobia or your MPP ni our contest our whole central what fairly now your time not Supreme Court we are boy for you know that when the judiciary became so dirty in this country and some of us were all over talking about it. Post be on team be and said that we were losing the judiciary. It became so dirty to the sense that people didn't want to associate. Social media and other platforms are enough ruling every Supreme Court bar ordinary person to know to say answer new ruling and cry and my answer for over nipa when you know about the platform and a woman that particular ruling. Because how do you tell me say traveling passport can vindicate and as a bit yet maybe a Ghana ni but the innate birth certificate no cannot when the event said Adi passport no your birth certificate and several other rulings asem no court you can predict ma me no ense date be ma asem no twam asem bi kwa de chi ya no wa date when you do some of these things you don't inspire confidence you don't engender trust and hope in the institution and the name na all nyina was to destroy the fabrics of our judiciary. So for Akuffo, I think that some of these people, we just need to excuse them, and you can understand her. Then as a forum, until so betting about boss, any or she's entitled to her opinion. And as a forum, I respect her for expressing her opinion.
Because a nejo Honorable John Jinapo da ben na asem no mu biem minimal process corona mo ye no as the ade ne eco slow motion no say acting chief justice and any abre we mandate for all the cases ni bi wa hono mu a na ka you get through Torkornoo chief justice what they ato nchen and I say we already interest no ekọ baabi a na wa sheda the date akọhye baabi a yenka ne sisi a say na ni abre pa lawyer Chumberi ma wo ahoma no eso lawyer Pacho what me ka no pay ya good morning.
Good morning.
Me Pacho boko de Pacha me am ni se wa brena me sai enya ne wo anopa ya no adwuma mo ye no ye bo mo abaso mo bo adwuma pa wadaroma obetimi ama ye mu nkyiremu kakra.
Well, I'm sure. Yes. I think about 2 days ago, in another 7 over, starting to information by your men were not airport alongside aviation security for the map picking of the officership community. So when the call came, I went there. I took permission from my boss, and I went there. And he called another side in the crowd. And then we brought them the suspects and exhibits to our end for detention.
Hello, lawyer.
Yeah, me too.
Aha. Enti wadaroma niema na mochi ya no na ne dodo be say mu duro be ya he.
Oh, the weight, I think it's about 80 something kg, if I'm right. But the one there 73.
Okay.
And the weight, I don't know what I'm getting the figure right, but I think it's around 80 something kg or so.
Okay. Okay. Now, wadaroma nipa no amoye involve no afa na mobile investigations though, but wo mo ye nkrofo bia betimi aka se ebi omo ye bibi sa deda. Ebi obi ho ne track record no kire se adwuma a oye no.
Well, then maybe the investigations will bring it out. But for now, we have 4 people. The investigation will tell how deep or light they have been into this things.
Okay. Okay. Obi baka say we ya machi na chese ne ye ranting for dwa asem wo keka ye. Obaka say na asem wo ka no kra na no kra say obi di ko ke hudwa.
Ono de na kan na wonu de na coming fin.
But this is the second time I'm watching Enubone Bisa Muazumi office. Then does it mean that previously no system no na enye adwuma enkrofo di twam na yenhunu. What does it say?
It tells you that there's a leadership at Narcotics.
Okay.
The person that President Mahama gave that office to, a Brigadier General Manti, is a man of integrity. The 2 people are can't say Yanzi and Kotanachi and Nkoyajman. We are also men of integrity.
Okay.
And under his leadership, nothing will bend or curve. And so what thing was I would say, and Yanimina doesn't Yanim for now, it's as simple as that.
Okay.
And Jim Ford one didn't hear one of Candy on.
Okay. But up to now, so on share that memo information be
why anything for you?
Bachoane.
Well, so far as Narcotics is concerned, they only and delay.
Okay, all right. Lawyer Mamena was here no penny chimu a wode amaye me sure after the investigations and also you no bedi hu komo ya hwe baby amadru. Thank you very much.
All right.
All right. Lawyer Chumberry ma Deputy Director General for Narcotics Control Commission and yene na kwa kodi nkomo no nti eche se cocaine na utimu se ya de ankrofo de kwa because se de ankrofo timinya energy etiminya akukoduru de befa ho no de nyame na hu ye mobo na sese ye checheche wo mo anesa. Okay, quick one. Yanko Chief Justice issue no esomaka cho se enro ameti yesi o document de nam yam enro ami hu se na ye honorable Japan Sakura kura bi ache so de ye analysis ni ade na me si awurade document de wo se me kopa bi enti ba bi a mawura me nso menya document ni bi a mawura no ma pa bi aba na me homo ame no amoti CCTV no enko ya te se nkrofo de no omo keka na bi ne yaso ye pone ho ne yaka ekwa me fa so menya document we nyankopon ne me dance ni enti ya na ya be kan document ne ya be to TV no so enti opa ya de to so no na so screenshot ya dance enti document no e wo ha ya the soft copy no e be to TV no so ya kan konya na so kan but menua meto mebo minyana najo be ya 11 ana me yes me kan ni nyina ana me kan ni nyina Ghana for yan judiciary na e wo ho no se yamfo ye na yansi fom se omai na yama pere ye ne eniema bi ansesa wo ho a wonua bi ne ye de adi nene wonim da abekoko ye de bi bediw me wa experience a manya e wo court eno no ye me personal experience of which I know say said yankofo ani abra wo mo call for reset and not change with the judicial system no. I think I will back that decision say yenya proper reset with your judiciary ho because when me say Ghana ha no se bibia feli ya ye need that one court and as I say ye nyina ya sabati ye wan se asa court ne nka no kore se Ghana fo nyina ni gidie wo court nim eno wo ya judge yo wo ya lawyer e wo se wo ti ase se e wo se ya research ho na Ghana fo nya adwen foforo Ghana fo nya another image for judicial system na esi ho no ho enti Ghana Bar Association ne mu amoka ho amoya lawyer fo amabenya asasem no mo pese mo massage no mama massage no. Truth must be told. Judicial system na wo sisia no are corrupt. Some of them are being corrupt, and for that reason are tarnishing the whole image of the judicial system. It is a minimum and kayabeti as say young research a hono because I say Ghana a jigogra baby a last hope a court no can never disappoint us. Court no cannot disappoint us. And this is say Ghana for ni jide wo court no mu a na ne asam yire so pai so a ye be ko hen. That's the most dangerous aspect of enkomo ayedi. Na se nipa wono da ye panyina woda no we say no matter the noise you make, the law is the law. Enyam na me kan your Chief Justice ma me get to Torkornoo no ane kan. The video is even on my page. You can go and search your attitude on Facebook. We say the video ni da ho. Or say no matter the noise you make, and found when it die be the law is the law. Timaka just said them videos via me bo me kan document ni wi a me bo videos via ma. Na fa ya bisa ye ho say enye mrakro na ne ye defend ana. What has changed? Quick one more for document no petition no ento so mpacho na ye be kan ba ko ye bre ni nyame ya doma next week ye be kan ba e de aka no enso e de amamo. Petition away eye Kingsley Ejay, Chairman and Convener, the Shining Stars of Ghana, Akroma. Me patron the telephone number esheho. Enye ni nyina na meka because A.Addo but mekone allegations na oye do so ye wi a na fa yetimi akọ Chief Justice so ne response a wode maye on that particular allegations. Enti wo hwa esoro hanoma petition for removal of the Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana, her leadership Gertrude Saki Torkornoo. And wama yen preamble and I watch the reasons in here or tro Ediama president is on Chief Justice. Number 1 a stated misbehavior and number 2 a incompetence and wama yen legal basis of the petition no granted on Article 146 subsection 1 of the 1992 Constitution of the Republic of Ghana. It's what tro emrane de kanyina and watch them stated misbehavior no so the bema obi suban aya misbehavior kira se oye Chief Justice a enye ye me ba cho ni case ni nie case of action of our petition ti ba cho Smith kwada next page where preamble no ti kwada next page eho ena na sam na nka so ode kwaba president no eho ne wo ba cho ani o say on 30th May 2024 the Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana officially wrote a proposal to the then President Nana Addo Akuffo to appoint 5 judges to the Supreme Court. In her proposal, she added that I write to respectfully request that the following judges be appointed to the Supreme Court of Ghana. And Obomudin, her Leadership Justice Angelina Mensah Homia, and her Lordship Justice Eric Che Bafo, her Lordship Justice Edward Amwakun Asante, her Leadership Justice Sarah Pamela C.A. Cranton, and her Leadership Justice Efia Asari Boche. I said the above action taken by the Chief Justice was in breach of Article 144 of the 1992 Constitution of Ghana. It is pertinent to cite that the entire provision of Article 144 at this moment that read into Article 144 clause 1 now or no so Chief Justice Ebrichino say and I know there was some kind of the Chief Justice shall be appointed by the President acting in consultation with the Council of State and with the approval of Parliament. 1442 subsection 2. The other Supreme Court justices shall be appointed by the President acting on the advice of the Judicial Council in consultation with the Council of State and with the approval of Parliament. And 144 subsection 2 no extra ekwanya ya pese ya the Supreme Court judges ekwa ka ho a ekwa ya fa so ebeyi wo mo Chief Justice nka ho eno no eya president no in consultation with the Judicial Council and Council of State eno mo yi wo mo And 144 subsection 3, justices of the Court of Appeal and of the High Court and chairman of regional tribunals shall be appointed by the President, acting on the advice of the Judicial Council. Enti ehwanso Chief Justice ni hunim. 144 subsection 4, panel members of the regional tribunals other than the chairman shall be appointed by the Chief Justice in consultation with the Regional Coordinating Council for the region and on the advice of the Judicial Council. And a Chief Justice bem. But Chief Justice Mami Torkornoo actual krata and the Kwama President and what Yakonyaso Sabre and another Danko Akuffo no a list of 5 judges or person who Supreme Court and no enya Chief Justice Ajuma into a boom ranoso. No matter the noise you make, the law is the law. Simple. And our court tuning in out of incompetence by the Chief Justice and no a second allegation our year. I say on 15th October 2024, until me bacho the first allegation our breach of constitution and no makanya chiro no me wi ama be kan response in the amount. On 15th of October 2024, Honorable Alexander Afenyomakin invoked the original jurisdiction of the Supreme Court under Article 2, subsection 10B of the 1992 Constitution of the Republic of Ghana. The plaintiff invocation was activated by a dispute surrounding the filing of nominations by some members of parliament intending to contest the impending December elections. 2024 general election either under the ticket of different parties or as independent candidates. Among the issues set down by the plaintiff for determination, emphasis on issue 7 for the purpose of this petition is me pacha hanama min chire umu kakra wey time Honorable Afenyomakin ekopia mu ewo Supreme Court to say members of parliament bia omu gina on the ticket of NPP wamu yeso omu ko independence wamu gina on the ticket of NDC wamu yeso omu ko independent na obi oya independent yes oko on the ticket of NPP. Now, Speaker, declare our seat no vacant based on the law. Because a party there do about parliament, you know. What's the affair? They are winning in Nikasubomu Biamu dia. I was here declare our seat no vacant. A brave woman. I was saying here by election now party no. I didn't pay for Frobesi and Nemu near to about the man because MPP na don't call parliament. Now also MPP be not the parliament already. You went to parliament on the ticket of the party. Independent and so now Fred ya wo kwan do se wo party bi din mu a wo constituency for no anhwe wo party color na to abama wo as the independent candidate and this wo political party bi so dia na chese no so we sit na we say declare vacant. The law is the law. And see some na Afenyomakin de court no and no and a petitioner no was cite here as number 2. In our opinion, the Chief Justice who presided over the suit to determine whether or not the Speaker of Parliament was in breach of the rules of natural justice rather breached same rules in the process of making such determination, which amounts to incompetence. Our claims to substantiate by the ruling of Afenyo versus Speaker of Parliament and Attorney General and other written number were dated 12 November 2024, in which the court stated that, notably, the first defendant filed no process in answer to this action. Our understanding is that at the time of ruling on the above suit, the court had no affidavit form from the Speaker of Parliament being the first defendant. The court also stated that, however, a further step taken 2 days after the issuance of this writ, the first defendant issued a statement captured in the official report of parliamentary debate on October 17, 2024. In the first 10 pages of that official report, the first defendant delivered a response to a statement made by the Honorable Minority Leader, in which he recognized that he was making a formal response in relation to a matter of significant parliamentary and constitutional importance. He said that he had been called on to follow precedent and declare vacant the seat of 4 members of parliament pursuant to Article 97, subsection 1G and H of the Constitution. Certain members of parliament have taken action that contravene the provision of Article 97, subsection 1G and Article 97, subsection 1H. The above statement by the court confirmed our claims that the court had no affidavit from the fair defendants before ruling on the matter. Into the tosum yenu allegation at tosum yenu plaintiff no ede ekoye and as a petitioner no ede koma President John Dramani Mahama enti ne petition de di kan say Chief Justice emra na wase aye emra no wonu ankasa buso emma list Akroma president says any person must you obintin me be say me appoint to eko Supreme Court abra na enye na djuma enti wabu mra so me ba twa yanko response from the Chief Justice. But your Chief Justice and also the response of the coye was and some mienu a shining stars. At the Akroma President John Dramani Mahama and no enemy bekanti when you waiting free so na yentimi and twasum. We shall also responses to charges in petition for the removal of the Honorable Chief Justice by Shining Stars of Ghana, represented by Minister Kingsley Ejay. Into also Obama Emmanuel de Ekafa Hunina. Respectfully, the petitioners represented by the convener of the group have petitioned for the removal of the Chief Justice on grounds of stated misbehavior and incompetence pursuant to Article 146, subsection 1 of the 1992 Constitution.
Nakupon show bibia waje bread heard you mediwe. Me do bibia se. Hana jumedi no ebema ye kwan se me fa won si. E ma wo remfi ade ba ko. Like, share, subscribe to the channel, but notification bell Adoma na down found some also send ya political trending news we are ko twi ko brema ba bia no han Ghana Politics Avenue so and waje pen say oni be di juma abum me do bibia se na afi so Akroma.